When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done.
Na, nababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, the business that we want to introduce you guys is called Dedes Pizza. I've known Deydey as a famous makeup artist dito po sa Pampanga, and I was shocked when they reached out to us and then gusto niyang pa-feature yung kanyang new business, which is sa food related naman. So in front of us guys are 7 of their pizzas. Let's start with their cheesy cheese. So ito yung 4 kinds of cheese pizza nila. Oh yeah, 4 cheese indeed. Aside from the 4 flavored cheese nila, I think meron pa siyang mga some kind of spices na ina-add dito because it's really aromatic, no? Ang sarap ng amoy. Alright, so next to introduce to you guys itong kanilang cheesy shawarma. From the look of it, very appetizing na because it is actually loaded with the toppings, no? Got the usual ingredient ng shawarma, but this time it's actually presented as a pizza. Wow, that one's really soft. Shawarma sauce dito or shawarma dip. Dip it or you dunk it. Yum, yum, yum. And then next is the Aloha Bacon. If you again guys notice, oh, smoky bacon. Sarap. I also love the cheese. It makes it a little bit salty. Plus, sabi ko nga sa inyo yung bacon, I like it really smoky. And then on top, meron pa palang, these are olives. Yeah, black olives. Put it there. Next guys is this, they call it cheesy pepperoni. So if you notice doon sa mga pangalan nila, they all starts with the word cheesy. I think that's what they want to be remembered. Pizza that is really, really cheesy. And then each box actually comes with the spicy sauce. What I do is, I dunk it, I dip it. Next is the cheesy seafoods. For me, it can accommodate around 2 persons, no? So, medyo shareable lang siya up to 2 persons. So, very evident sa mga toppings natin. Crab meat, you also have bell peppers. Of course, hindi mawawala yung cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. So, I still have 2 more of their pizza. This one is their Beefy Mushroom. Again, I want to dip it dito sa spicy sauce natin. Grabe. Sobrang nakakabusog nito. And then lastly for their pizza, this is what they call Cheesy Deydey's Signature Pizza. It's an all-meat pizza, and if you notice guys, it's actually overflowing with cheese. Sa sides, sa middle, punong-puno siya ng cheese, and in the middle, so you have, I think these are ham. Meron din tayong ground beef, parang chopped crab meat, pepperoni. You also have pineapple. So it's actually overload, no? So loaded signature pizza. I think that's what they call it. Alright. Oh man. Wow. Alright, so if you are to ask me guys, dun sa 7 flavors na pizza nila, my number 1 would be yung bestseller nila, which is yung Deydey's Signature Pizza. Next is the shawarma. I really like very contrast flavor ng shawarma. I think the Aloha Bacon will be my 3rd if you are to ask me. Okay, so lastly is this Quesodillas, another bestseller sa mga products nila. Oh, wow. First off, what I like about it is hindi siya katulad ng mga ibang quesadillas na natikman ko. Oh wow. Oh man. What an afternoon treat for me guys. Grabe. So let's talk about some information about Deydey's Deydey's Pizza. So actually meron silang franchise package if you want to start your own business, no? So they have a franchise for only 30,000 pesos. Ito yung Deydey's Negosyo package nila. What you will get, a chest type freezer. Meron din tayong 3 oven toaster. You have 3 tarpaulins. You have 2 storage boxes. You get 60 pizzas. You also get 60 boxes because this is how it will be delivered kapag na-order sila, you're gonna have container of hot sauce and 1 container of white sauce. So for as low as 30,000 pesos, you can start your own business. And grabe, so just recently lang sila talaga nag-message sa amin, and surprisingly, very surprisingly, they have a lot of branches na. So let me just state them. No? Meron silang branch sa Gatiawin Arayat, they have in Hensonville, Lourdes Sur East, Pilar Bataan, sa Remedian, meron sila sa City Center, Pandan, they have in Pampang Market, Atipolo, Floridablanca, Angeles City branch. I think that is their main branch. And then Ascomo Guagua, they also have sa Chicken Claws and Fernando. This is also available there. And soon, they will be in Batanggas, Panggasinan, Baguio, and Quizon City. So, if the place you are interested to start your own business is not mentioned, guys, make sure to message them. Make sure to contact them if you want to start your own business for as low as 30,000 pesos. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Again, gonna enjoy the rest of the food with my family. So if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Most probably, I'm gonna keep this to myself because I really like their shawarma pizza. Thank you guys for watching. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Until then, please stay safe. Bye-bye.